Hello, I'm Nicolas Gausserand, I'm the CEO and founder of Medinbox.
And I'm Nicolas Foin, and I'm the Deputy Managing Director for Medinbox.
We are talking about medical collaboration from two different perspectives, medical education and proctoring and remote support based on video. So since the beginning of the surgery by Ambroise Paré, observation has been key in the transmission of new technique, and from the transmission needs to observe the technique, and when you know how to do it, you perform it yourself, and you need to be observed and to get guidance from someone from outside. So it's the technique from Ambroise Paré from ages added with new technologies and transmission technologies.
Yes, so we have a collaboration tool that is really used for hospitals to be able to connect, stream. Outside people can connect in the operating room or in the cath lab. So this is used for education, for remote support, remote proctoring. There are many use cases that we've developed.
So we are coming from cath labs. We have a strong expertise in complex imaging integration. So when you have a lot of imaging, when you have live fluoro, echo, vitals from patient, we can have everything connected and everything is accessible outside of the lab. So we can integrate up to 16 inputs on a single system, and then you can transmit in Full HD or 4K. And when you are attending remotely a case, you have full view with full resolution of all the inputs in the room. First of all, any physician who is recording or transmitting a procedure needs the patient consent. So this is really the fundamentals of transmitting some information outside of any lab or OR. We are adding safeguards for that. So we are reminding the importance of keeping the patient privacy, and we have some tools integrated and proprietary into Medinbox to protect the patient privacy and the patient data.
So it's automatically the identification of the patient name. So automatically will detect and remove that. So it's really important for the hospitals, but also for the patient or the sponsor.
So what device do we have here for you to show us?
So here we have a demo of our different units. We have a demo of our Medinbox system. Here the cloud integration with Medinbox Link. And we have here an exclusivity for LSI, a demo of what we are developing now in VR. So it's the integration of the Medinbox technologies, the imaging from the lab, and VR technology. You want to have a demo?
Yeah, let's try it out.
Yeah, so you have to wear the headset, and you'll be immersed in the real procedure. So you have the remote here, just like that. You have the trigger. If you select any imaging on the screen, you'll be able to show it on the large display. So you can just press the trigger, and you can see any imaging. You can move between chapters, and currently this demo is a recorded case, but we are now moving to live transmissions from cath labs or operating rooms. So that means that from a remote site, you'll be able to interact with someone in the lab and be immersed in the procedure while seeing the full content of the video. Okay, so this is our main Medinbox product. It's called Medinbox Producer. It's what we install in cath labs and operating rooms. And with that tool, any medical team can be a real producer and can control the camera directly from the screen, can activate directly any microphones from the interface, and can switch any imaging on large view and select any specific layout. We can have up to 8 simultaneous view on that screen and 16 simultaneous inputs in the system. So you can basically capture any imaging from the room, and we can add an unlimited number of cameras to capture any angle of the procedure. So when you are remotely connected to the system. You are totally immersed in the case, and you have all the necessary imaging to take the right decision or to give the correct guidelines during the procedure.
Well, it's the first time we attend this US event, and it's really amazing the amount of connection. The app is working really well to set up meetings. So it goes really beyond our expectation in terms of the contacts we get both from partners and investors.
Yes, it's amazing to see all these people in the same place and be able to discuss with strategics and also with investors. That's great. That's quite unique. We are seeking for partnerships. We already have partnerships with a major player in the medical device industry, and we will announce something big on next Monday. So first we are looking for partnerships, and then the company is bootstrapping since the beginning, and we are now in the process of accelerating, and we are also seeking for money and for investors to lead us to another stage.